everybody, my name is Leo Batten, and I'm gonna ask you guys, will it float like a boat? Today we're going to find out. So, we have Mentos with some paper in it, so leakage, But in the bathroom, we have to fill the sink with water. Gonna pause it until it's full. Say hello, kitty cat. Say hello. Couple of seconds later, it's almost full. So, okay. Number 1, Mentos with some paper in. This is like Mentos mint, orange flavor. It's really good. Not sponsored by Mentos. Oh, floats like a. Wait, is it sinking? It is. It is sinking. It sank. That was legit gonna work. But no, it sank. Now I have to use my bare hands to take it out. Gonna open that later. Okay, there are 3 items. That was 1. Second thing is just a lot of paper. Will it stay afloat and not sink? This is basically toilet paper. Okay, it's built to sink. It's gonna sink. That was literally like a white poo. Now let's get some actual paper that actually might float. I'm pretty sure it floats. Okay, I've made the paper literally like this. I don't know what form it is, but kind of looks like a boat. And it seems to float. It's floating. It's still floating. It's slowly sinking. Can we just put it back in? It's wet. Fail. Now, the third thing. What I know about this is that it floats. It's a boat, which I made, think in 4th grade. Never put it in water before. It floats like a dream. But how much can it carry? Okay, this little bottle. Pretty decent. Now we have to go for the big guns. There are no big guns. God damn. Well, Actually, there are. Actually, there are. Oh. Battery. You know, the battery. This is pretty heavy right now. Mentos. Oh my god, it still floats! Bit front heavy though. Okay, what I'm gonna do, the Mentos in the middle. Not sponsored by Mentos. At all. Okay. Paper. Wet paper. Do you still have your paper? No, I flushed it. God damn it. Flickering light. Turn off. Blue light. Yeah. Seriously, nothing. We do have this. I'm not gonna pull it out. It's gonna be a little stick. Put it in like be a little stick. It's like kind of a ruler. Better behind it. Oh, don't let her down. Oh, bit front heavy, I'll say. A bit back heavy, I'll say, but it still floats. I think it's gonna float for ages. No? Nothing? God damn. No. Let me just pause this video. And I'm back. Definitely wasn't that voice. It was. Okay, this is a crazy idea. But that's just banana. Banana float! There's no space. Banana fits always. No, wait. God damn it. Banana fits always. Cat. Well, that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Stay awesome. Stay milky. #backcow. Yeah.